You have to develop an attitude of gratitude. Say thank you to everyone that you meet and everyone that does things for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So part of becoming the best version of yourself is about expressing gratitude. You have to be able to be grateful for things. You have to be able to be grateful for things around you. You have to also express your gratitude to people that do things for you or people that you work with. Sometimes people don't realize how much they've got, how wealthy, how successful, and how much of a support system they've really got because they don't take the time to be grateful for those things. So try and practice gratitude every single day. Wake up in the morning and try at least 3 things that you're grateful for. What are you grateful for? If you're always expressing an attitude of gratitude, you always have enough in life. You always find something to be happy about, something to be complacent about, something to add value to yourself. If you're always looking out at what other people have, if you're always looking out at what other blessings people have, you'll never really be truly happy. So take the time to look at what's right in front of you. What are you grateful for? What do you have in front of you? How are you expressing gratitude to people that do things for you every day? Are you grateful for people that make your life even just a little bit easier every day? Maybe something like delivery, something like, you have to be grateful for all the big and small things as well, not just all the wonderful big things you've achieved, but sometimes it's as simple as being grateful that you're able to wake up in the morning. Sometimes it's being grateful that you've got a wonderful support system around you. Sometimes it's being grateful that you're able to express how you feel, that you've got your mental and emotional well-being. Be grateful for all those things, and you'll find that they add value to your life. They add to you becoming a better version of yourself. Appreciate for people for who they are and for what they do for you. You'll be surprised at how far a small token of appreciation goes. We all just want to be seen in life, and we all want to be valued in life. So why wouldn't you want to do the same for other people? Tell them that you're grateful for them. Tell them how you really feel. You don't want to have regret of not really expressing yourself to people. Sometimes, I don't know why, we wait so long, or we wait until people are dead to really express how much we're grateful for them, how we were appreciative of them, and realize the things that they did for us. You have to actually say these things to people while they're still alive. You have to actually tell people how you feel. If you appreciate someone for doing things for you, or for how they're making you feel, or for how they're making your life just a little bit easier, tell them. Don't wait until it's too late. Try and make it a habit to list at least 3 things you're grateful for in the morning and 3 things that you're grateful for by the end of the day. They don't have to be big things. Even the smallest things count. I'm not saying that when you're expressing gratitude it means that your life is perfect. Sometimes it's being grateful for being able to overcome a negative situation. So use that to your advantage and try and implement that into your habits, and you'll see how your life will drastically change if you're walking around with expressing an attitude of gratitude, being grateful and be respectful of people and showing your appreciation. Start the journey of gratitude today and tell people how you're grateful for them, and also don't forget to tell yourself how grateful you are for all the things that you've achieved. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.